Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can upload your Robinhood consolidated to TurboTax. So, let's get started. To import your Robinhood consolidated Form 1099 into TurboTax, you'll need to follow a few simple steps. First, access your Robinhood tax documents. Open the Robinhood app or website and log into your account. Then, click on the profile icon or person icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the three-line menu at the top left and scroll down until you find the Tax Center option. Go ahead and select it. Here, you'll see a timeline of your tax history on Robinhood. To view your tax documents, simply scroll down to the Documents section, where all of your Robinhood tax forms are listed and available for download. Next, select the document you want to upload to TurboTax, for example, the Robinhood Markets Consolidated Form 1099. Once you click on it, it will download as a PDF file. Open this file and locate two important details: your master account number and document ID. Write these down or keep them somewhere safe. After that, open the TurboTax website and go to the Federal section. Then click on Wages and Income from the left sidebar. Scroll down to find the Investing and Savings section and click on it. From there, choose Stocks, Cryptocurrency, Mutual Funds, or 1E99B, and click Start next to it. Now TurboTax will ask if you had investment income for the year. Simply answer yes. Then, search for and select Robinhood from the list. If it doesn't appear right away, you can manually type and search for it. Next, enter your Robinhood master account number and document ID that you copied earlier. Once you've entered both details, click on Get My Form. TurboTax will automatically fetch your tax forms from Robinhood. Finally, review the forms that appear, select the ones you want to include, and click Continue. That's it. Your forms will be successfully uploaded to TurboTax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.